The Fox, Big Lesson About Telling the Truth. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a young fox named Freddie. Freddie was clever and quick, but he had one little problem. He loved playing tricks on his friends. One sunny day, Freddie was feeling bored, so he thought of a mischievous idea. What if I pretend there's a big, scary wolf in the forest? He thought to himself. Everyone will come running to help me. Freddie climbed onto a rock, took a deep breath and shouted, "Help! Help! There's a wolf! It's coming to get me!" All his friends, the deer, the rabbits, the squirrels, and even the wise old owl, heard Freddie's cries. They dropped everything they were doing and rushed to where Freddie was. They looked around worried and out of breath. "Where's the wolf, Freddie?" asked a worried rabbit. Freddie grinned and said, "Ha! Got you. There's no wolf. I was just joking." His friends sighed, shook their heads, and went back to their homes. "Freddie, you shouldn't lie about something like that," warned the wise old owl. But Freddie just laughed, thinking it was the funniest thing ever. A few days later, Freddie grew bored again. Maybe I should cry wolf one more time, he thought. So he climbed onto the same rock and shouted even louder, "Help! Help! There's really a wolf this time!" Once again his friends dropped what they were doing and rushed over to help. They looked around, but there was no wolf in sight. Freddie laughed and laughed. "Fooled you again," he said, rolling on the ground. This time his friends were upset. "Freddie, if you keep lying, one day we won't believe you when you really need help," warned the wise old owl. Freddie just shrugged. "Oh, that'll never happen," he thought. But one night, as Freddie was walking back to his den, he heard a low growl from behind a bush. He froze, and his heart began to pound. Peeking through the bushes, he saw a pair of glowing eyes. It was a real wolf. Freddie felt a chill run down his spine. "Help! Help! There's a wolf! Really, there's a wolf!" he cried. But this time, no one came. His friends thought Freddie was playing another trick on them. The wolf crept closer, and Freddie didn't know what to do. He darted up a tree to hide, his heart pounding. After a while, the wolf lost interest and wandered off, leaving Freddie safe but very, very shaken. The next morning, Freddie went to his friends and told them the truth. "I'm so sorry I lied to you," he said. "There really was a wolf and I was so scared, but no one came to help because I tricked you before." The wise old owl nodded. "Freddie, when you lie, people stop believing you, even when you're telling the truth." From that day on, Freddie promised never to lie again, and he learned that being honest is the best way to keep the trust of friends. And so, Freddie and his friends lived happily in the forest, knowing they could always count on each other, especially when it really mattered. The end.